Avgolemino is a chicken rice soup with a lot of lemon flavor, and it's the Greek equivalent to chicken noodle soup, and it's so delicious, so easy to make, and has very few ingredients, but full of flavor.
There's hardly any prep for this soup either. Dice an onion into nice small pieces and then cook that in a stock pot with olive oil and butter. That gives you great flavor and a higher smoke point. It just takes about 6 or 8 minutes for that onion to become nice and tender, and then you're going to add some long grain rice. Stir that to coat it with the fat, and then add really flavorful, your favorite chicken stock. The chicken's going to cook right in the soup. That's going to give some flavor back to the stock, and it takes just about 20 minutes to be done and still moist. When that's happened, go ahead, remove that, and let it cool just until you can actually handle it. In the meantime, chop some parsley, zest a whole lemon, and then go ahead and juice that lemon. Remember, this is avgolemino soup, so you want to make sure you get all the lemon juice you can out of that lemon so you can add all that flavor to this delicious soup. The trickiest part of this recipe is not scrambling the eggs when you add it to the soup. So start by beating them up in a bowl and whisking in that lemon juice. And then we're going to temper the eggs. To do that, you add a ladle full of hot soup to the eggs, bringing their temperature up a little bit, and then put those eggs back into that soup. That'll help thicken the soup in just about a couple minutes. Now you can shred the chicken. That's what I like to do to give it a rustic look. Or if you prefer, you can go ahead and dice it into small pieces. Either way, add that back into the soup, stir it in, and you're almost finished. All you have left to do is season it with some salt and pepper. Go ahead, add lemon zest, add some chopped parsley. Look, it's getting prettier and prettier. Go ahead, put that into the bowls, and then you don't have much else to serve with this. This is just a single bowl meal. Top it with some lemon zest, add a little parsley. If you're feeling blue or under the weather, this is going to cheer you up in no time.
I feel better already.